If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in CS2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for CS2. If your hardware is below the required specifications, it may struggle to load the game properly. Step 2. Restart the game. Close CS2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve loading issues caused by temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. Use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can help fix loading problems. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause performance issues and loading problems in games. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers. Step 5. Adjust launch options. Open the game launcher and navigate to the launch options. Adding specific commands, such as Nova to skip the intro video or adjusting resolution settings, can sometimes help with loading issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in CS2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.